Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Jyoti Bandi, your fertility specialist. And today we are going to talk everything about PCOS because this month, that is September 2024, is the PCOS awareness month. So today I'll be discussing about how you can cope up or how you can prepare yourself for IVF. So here are 5 simple steps. So obviously the first and foremost, you have to meet a fertility specialist because they know it all about PCOS and infertility. They will curate a personalized program, a personalized protocol for you, get the best outcomes out of it and a successful pregnancy. And the second thing is that you have to eat healthy and maintain a healthy diet, and also to maintain a balanced diet and maintain a healthy weight. So this is very important. So that is, you should be avoiding any kind of processed foods, any kind of add more of green leafy vegetables, fruits in your diet, seeds, and also antioxidant foods. So all this will come a long way in helping to improve the success of IVF, and also to exercise every day, that is 45 minutes per day, because exercise itself helps in improving the pregnancy rates or the pregnancy success rates, because it helps in balancing the hormones, as well as it also helps in ovulation rates. The third point, you have to know if you have any kind of underlying health concerns like hypothyroidism or diabetes or hypertension, high prolactin levels. So these are some things that we have to work upon before you go for your IVF protocol or your treatment. Then the fourth point, so this is that here you have to adhere to the prescriptions or the prescribed medications that have been given to you. Please take it regularly and at the proper said timings, because all these are hormonal pills or hormonal injections that will be given to you. So you have to take it on a particular time, so that you don't cause any delay or that can hamper the IVF process. And the fifth point is that you have to be positive, and to cope up with the emotional stress around IVF, you have to develop a very friendly environment around you. Have a good networking system with friends, family members who understand what you're going through, who can empathize with you, and so that you can ease down your emotional burden. So by taking these simple steps, you can go a long way in getting a pregnancy successful. And yes, thank you for watching it.